This is my little coffee table. Okay, welcome back to a new tutorial. My name is Botvidsson. Today I'm planning to keep this short, not this 17 minutes. So let's keep it under 5 minutes. That's the goal. We'll see how it goes. Today it's time for this perfume. Blurry. And it's important to keep it clean. You should really use some kind of gloves. So what kind of setup do we have today? If we're shooting from the top, there is water, but if it's lying in water, then the perfume will be totally black, you know, we will not see anything. So then I needed to make a hole in this plexiboard, this black one. I totally destroyed it. As you can see here, here is the hole. And if I show you under here, you see there? It's like 1,000 kilos of glue. To be able to see through the perfume, I needed to have light coming from below and shooting through. That's why I made a hole, and it's like a plastic, transparent plastic material, so the light will shine through and lit up the perfume. So let's place this in the hole. First frame, almost black, that's good. So what's next? What to start with? Let's start with this one on top. If I take a shot, it looks like a disaster, but that's just because the water is... need to put on some more water. We need water. Let's take a water shot. There you go. Now we have water. It's a bit off. We think we need to have it a bit more. Yeah, maybe about there. You see the camera angle is like this, and I was telling you from the object the same angle. If you want to have this reflective feeling, we need to have a lit up area at the same angle. So now it's like this one is shooting here, yeah. So this lit up area on this diffusion will reflect in this highly reflective water. Okay, what I plan to do later is like maybe we will hit this, we will get this nice effect in the water. But first, as you see now, the bottle is very dark. So we need to start with the second flash from below, shooting through the bottle. So let's turn on that flash. Be on! I will now turn on the live view. Now we have the live view on. And if you see, when I do this action, we will get this nice effect in the shot, yeah. And the second light I just turned on was the one on the floor. So if I turn that off again, I will turn off the modeling light. You see? And I should show you what's going on below here. It's dripping. Even though I used 100 million kilos of glue, it still leaks. It's not the best way probably, but hopefully it will hold through the tutorial. So there is the flash shooting up to this hole, and then I have this diffusion, so it lights up, and that's what we see through the bottle actually. It's the lit up diffusion panel. We haven't taken a shot yet. Let's take a shot with the second light on. What do we get? Voila! Now we see the name of the product. That's nice. We did also get a bit on this crystal. It's plastic one, so it's a bit tricky to light this nice. This is the third light we need to take care of. This, the top crystal, whatever. And it's out of plastic, and I've been trying a lot, testing a lot to get a nice light on this, and it's a bit tricky because this facets, it has so many angles. So right now when we have this top flash on, as you see, we only get like only this one, it reflects. So one light will do one thing. I want it to be a bit like luxury, shiny, nice, you know. So what I did, I put on two flashes, one on this side and one on the other side, shooting towards the camera to this area. And let's turn them on. And then I took this white board and then I shot the flashes into this board like this. and then it bounces back, as you see here, on the crystal, and it's yeah, it's kind of okay. Yeah, we can use that one, but I also would like to do it another way, and that is by light painting. I created this funny guy. It's a LED flashlight, and I put on a bit of Savage plastic, so it became like a... And let's take away and turn off these two flashes on the side. Now they're off. And let's light paint. But when we light paint, we need to shut off all the lights, because the shutter speed will be like maybe 5 seconds. And then only this one should go into the picture. So we need to shut off everything. Now we go dark. Let's set the camera to 4 seconds and see how it goes. What did we get? This is me. I mean, this is the LED flashlight. Yes, this is with the light painting, and this is with the flashes that I managed to get. I think I like this much better, because we get a lot of random. This is what you want. You want dark, very bright, dark, you know. So it's a bit like a chessboard or something. So I think we will go with this one. I need to use Photoshop for this shot, I think, because we will have to... First, we take a shot with when I make this pattern on the water. Then we have that shot, and it will lit up inside the perfume. This is one shot. And then I will take a separate one with when I light paint on the top. On the crystal, plastic crystal, plystal maybe. Yes, I have to combine these two shots. I will do that to make the shot absolutely stunning, okay? This light painting we will do at the end, the water action. I have to decide what kind of water action. Do we want something subtle, very gentle, nice, or should we do splashes, or should we do something else? I will show you what I mean. First of all, let's put this away, and we need more water. I'm wondering, I have this half dead, or maybe they are probably totally dead, rose, you know, the stuff that comes from the flower. I will throw them in to see how it looks, a bit random. Take a shot, need to hurry up before the water goes away. Yes, very cute. If I just do like this, yeah, it's kind of cool. But I forgot one thing. You see, the perfume is pink, but I think we should help it cheat a bit by putting on a bit of pink gel, okay? In front of the flash shooting from the floor. Let's take a test shot, see how it looks. Ow! And it helps the whole bottle to be a bit pink. It's a bit, maybe we killed too much of the light. Maybe we should put up the power a bit so it gets a bit brighter. Yeah, another stop. Too much? Maybe. Take down half, maybe a bit more. This looks nice, yeah? Yeah. Here we have a problem, I see. I have a big hole. I didn't make this hole that good. I just hit it with a knife, so I didn't have the drill machine, so... So I have to fix this in Photoshop. It's not a problem. Let's take another shot, see how it looks. Yes, it looks nice. And now, before we do the light painting on the top of the perfume bottle, we need to make some action. What I meant before when I was talking about the... Very loud, probably. I will show you. You see? But it can even be... I want these small vibrations. You see these vibrations making these patterns in the water. I don't know. Is it cool or is it not? I don't know. Oh, this is kind of nice. I can't decide if it's nice. Now we have this option at least. Now we can try to do a bit more. If I just take this and I will hit this plexi. You see, this is much more... I think I will go back to the... I think I like that one. Okay, now we have this one. I think I like this last one actually, with the drill. What's next? Now it's time for the light painting to fix the crystal. Shut off all lights. I will set the camera, the shutter speed of the camera to 5 seconds. Open 5 seconds, and then I will paint. And hopefully I will get a nice light play on this top, yeah? Now we go dark. Now it's time for the LED light, okay? Okay, now I have done some variations of this wet flashlight, and hopefully I can use them to build up in Photoshop something. I hope. You already seen the result in the thumbnail in the beginning, so hopefully there is something good. So as usual, please subscribe, and if you'd like to join, come here. You send an email to me at info@botvidsson.se. You can find it down in the description, yeah? And please leave a comment if there's something you wonder, you like to ask about this or anything else, you know. No problem. I always answer. So see you next time.